What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping in the next one on Brown. We're alone to the journey. Get over, show them all the love in the world. Links inside the description. Shout out to Johan for the request. Sent this one over via email. Apparently, the page just went off during the family barbecue. You never know when or where or how or why you're going to be needed. But hey, that's the thing with those kind of jobs. Always on call. A special breed of people they are. Get over, show them the love. Let's jump in, check it out together. Let's go. Oh, by the way, this is the short version. Longer version's down below for those people that want to go see every little ounce of detail. Oh, like the family is all gathered at the fire station for a barbecue. I thought maybe at the house. The families know. They know that their people gotta go when they're called to go. Shout out to the families that support.
Zit er vol trouwens? Ja, rijden. Zo op het nieuwe erfspace? Denk het wel. Nee, dat is nieuw erf, hè?
And who knows? Going out on a call like this could very well mean that you ain't gonna make it back to the end of the barbecue because who knows how long some of these things are gonna take. You have no idea. Just going into the unknown until the person on the radio tells you what's going on. But
5 en 6. Ja. Jullie pakken met de bus de waterwinning. Waterwagens aanrijdend. Waterwinning, ja. Lage druk afleggen. Ik heb er iets bij, hè? Iets er voorbij. Wat wil jij weten? Lage druk. Lage druk. Ja.
there we go.
Hey, 2, 3 en 4. Omhangen. Ja. Klaarmaken naar binnen toe. Kijken of we binnen kunnen komen. Ja.
Roger that.
Komen we naar binnen, Peter? Oké. Wij gaan kijken om naar binnen te komen.
Ja.
Ja? Are the people inside?
Hey, probably just one guy. One guy on the left side. One guy.
Eine Leute.
Okay. How we can go in? Through that door?
Deze af.
Mensen hoge druk!
En die van het vuur X.
Hier is your craft area.
In de ruit.
Even, come here, come here.
Yeah.
Stay calm. Yeah. Jongens, deze straal.
I like it. Get control of the situation quick. Calm down.
Die gaat koud niet, hè? Ja. Hier is straal tussen. Hier is straal tussen. Straal lage druk hier tussen.
5 minutes ago, less than 5 minutes ago, we were at a barbecue enjoying ourselves. Now we're damn knee deep in the shit. It's wild to watch them work.
Is er iemand? Hallo, is er iemand? Ja, ik heb luisteren. Ja. Ja, na de bericht, grote brand in verband met blendende percelen en molenslachtoffers binnen over. En laat de voorsprong hier maar een ambulance komen. Kom! Hier is die ook gedaan. Ja. Ja. Gaan we het over doen? hou hier deze 2 ramen en hem daartussen houden. En desnoods een derde straal erbij.
I think it might be necessary.
Waarom is vanaf vroeger opgeschaald naar 4 grote brandhoofd? Nou, hier even niks voor jij. Nou, we toch even naar hiernaast. Het zit boven ons, kom. Ja, het zit boven ons. Wat is jongen? Ja, het wordt steeds warmer. Fremont! Kijk je bij de trap? Peter, wij kunnen bovenin niks meer. Oké. Dus de touw erin zetten.
Zijn we iemand kwijt?
Dat weten we nog niet zeker. Ik heb de politie gezegd van ga kijken wat er hoort te wonen, want dat weet niemand.
Ik ken hem op de brandkraan.
Ja, dus hij pakt en kan in de veevoeder.
Ja, helemaal goed.
Eentje is zwijn, Nelis. Eentje is zwijn. Eentje is zwijn.
This is why on the application it has you do your handle well under pressure, I'm sure. My God. This is the stuff that you don't see all the time. That's why I love this. Like, it's so important for people to get to see the hell that some of these first responders have to crawl through to make things better. Like, to do their job, risk life and limb. It's crazy. I'm just as worried about them as their families are back at the fire department. I promise you that. Like, I don't know. We've grown very close to this team. We don't want to see anything happen to any team out there. But I know, like, training-wise, experience-wise, just working well as a team-wise, they got it. They know what they're doing.
Zo werk komt er boven te hangen. We gaan niet meer naar binnen. Het is nog niet zeker of iedereen eruit is.
That's a damn flutter hose right there, boy. Like a monsoon. Oh no!
Gewoon een slang. Nee, doorslag, hè? Hé? We gaan weer naar buiten.
Maak even het woord. Peter, hoe is bij jouw plaatje hier binnen?
Beneden, alle nutsvoorzieningen uitgeschakeld. Boven de jongens teruggetrokken van binnen en van het dak afgehaald.
Dus er is niemand binnen meer?
Er is niemand meer binnen.
Oké, check.
Poor roof. So beautiful. What's that? Like a mobile command center? What is that? Oh, the solar panels.
Hier zie ik niks, hè? Ja, ja? Maar ga je nog praten met de knikker? Links heen, hè? Nee.
Gaan inpakken. Gaan inpakken.
Gaan we inpakken?
Inpakken, 2 straallozen laten we liggen, de rest ruimen we op.
Oké. Ja. Is het water eraf? Heel goed, Luc. Zo.
Oh, en dan weer een beetje kop van, joh.
AC-2441 klus geklaard en wij keren huiswaarts over.
Hey, hit that song! Look, there's something so amazing about watching them work together. Like, I can't even put it into words how it makes me feel. I feel like everybody should just teach their kids, you know what? Marvel superheroes be damned. Here's the real superheroes. The people that take time out of their day and volunteer to do something like this, just for the good of humanity. It don't get much better content-wise than this. I pray that they're always around. I really, really do. And we know that there was some issues in the past, but I feel like their content is so important to make people really understand what it is that they're out there doing. Because until you need them, you never know. Get over to show Brandweer Luntra all the love in the world. The link is inside of the description. Let's check out our song. We are all the actors in the stories we we'll no longer hide. Hey! When we roll like thunder, feel the wonder from inside. This is the time we form the chorus. Lift your voice for those before us. We can rely on one another. Feel the pride, let's show our colors. We are heroes and dreamers. So much for the barbecue. I think it's well over now. Listen, watching them do their thing is awesome, but the most important part is getting to see them all come back safe and sound. Man, it's a damn tough job, but somebody's got to be out there doing it. Lord knows when we need them, we call. Get over, show Brandweer Luntra all the love in the world. Links inside the description. Hit the like button if you liked it. That dislike button, but it won't leave you. Tell the next one of my the Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.